Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Morton and I will be your first and second grade teacher this school year. That's right, we are going to have a combination cast this year and I'm so excited to meet you all. I've heard so many great things about you from each of your teachers, and I know I've had some of you in my SIPS groups and or some of your older brothers or sisters, so I'm very excited to meet you. Again, my name is Mrs. Morton. These are my children. This is my son, Nate.
Hi.
Say hi, Nate.
Hi, Nate. Hi.
How old are you, Nate?
5.5. You forgot
Yes,
me.
I haven't forgotten you yet. Hold on. Nate is about to start kindergarten, and he's actually turning 6 in a month. And who's this young lady? What's your name?
Sasha.
This is
Hi.
This is Sasha. She just turned 3, and she's going to start preschool very soon. So, anyways, I'm very excited to meet all of you.
Hi.
Sasha and Nate are going to go ahead and take a bath. Go ahead to Daddy now.
Bye.
Bye. And anyway, so today I wanted just a little bit about me. Those are my 2 children. I am a mother and a teacher. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is bagels and cream cheese. And I really like to have go on outdoor adventures with my children. We like to go on hikes, bike rides, scooter rides. We're always outside on a walk. Every morning, actually, we go on a nice walk. And we also invite our dog, Hazel, who right now she's a little tired, but I will introduce her to you at some point of the year. So I've already noticed that some of you have joined my Google Classroom, and I'm so excited. I know I saw one name had joined, but actually in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So right now you can see Google, and if you click right here, I call it the waffle. You can call it the waffle too. You can click on the waffle and you'll find Google Classroom. Now, if your Chromebook's still working, you should be logged in here. And it should say your name, your lunch number at sausdlearns.net. And let's say it asks you for your password. It is going to be your birthday. So that'll be it's a 2-digit number for your birth month, and then it's a 2-digit number for your birth date, and then you need 4 numbers for the full year. And that's how you can log into Google. Once you're logged into Google and you can see a picture or maybe your letter, then you can go to your waffle and click on Google Classroom. This is the Google Classroom icon right here. You just wait a little bit, and then right here in the left corner, you'll see where it says Mrs. Morton's first and second grade class. You're going to click Join. And then once you join, you're in my Google Classroom. And if you like, I made a little Bitmoji running to the couch. If you like, I would love for you to post something like right here. You could just type your name, and you can add a picture of yourself, and I'd love to say, and I'll write a comment back. So feel free to do that. Anyway, I am posting this on Parent Square, and later this week I'm going to set up a time for for you all to come on, try to log in and join the Google, to see if you need help joining the Google Classroom or if you need any help getting on Google Meet. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So I look forward to meeting you. Parents, make sure you're checking your Parent Square. This year we will be using Parent Square for all communication. So but you can always call me or email me, and I'll give you that information out later. So yes, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Parent Square. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys this week. The first day of school is actually going to be Monday, August 17th. So we have this week to make sure everyone can get into the Google Classroom and into Google Meet. So, okay, bye-bye.